Sandeep Kumar. I am here to teach you maths lecture for a class 10th standard. In class 10th standard, I have selected this trigonometry chapter. Okay? So we will basically discuss on trigonometry, and for this few minutes I will collect only the basic concepts. Now see, in this trigonometry, this is trigo. Trigo means 3, and this is metry means measurement. Okay. We are going to measure the 3 sides and 3 angles in this trigonometry chapter. And with the help of this trigonometry chapter, we are going to solve height and distance chapter, which is next of this. So now in this trigonometry chapter, we are basically discussing on a right angle triangle. See, in the class 10th level, we are going to discuss only a right angle triangle. In further class, we will discuss on other triangles also. Here we are going to discuss only on the right angle triangle. Now, as per a right angle triangle, whenever in pictures right angle triangle comes, there comes a Pythagoras. So with the help of Pythagoras also, there are some theorems. So now, as per this right angle triangle, first of all I will discuss a concept. Then there is a trigonometric ratios and trigonometric identity, and how we are going to use this concept in our numerical. We will discuss that what should be our approach. हम लोग क्वेश्चन को अप्रोच कैसे करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन दिस चैप्टर बेसिकली स्टूडेंट्स फेस प्रॉब्लम्स इन प्रूफ दैट. In proof that problem, they are going to face a problem. So for that also, I will give you a solution that how you are going to solve that. So basically, let us see the concept in this chapter. First, this is the right angle triangle. Of course, this is right angle triangle. So its opposite side will be this is our hypotenuse. Now here, I am taking this a triangle theta. This is my triangle theta. Okay. So this is triangle theta. In front of this will be my P. That is called opposite side. But in short, we say this is a P, and adjacent to this is the base. Okay, P, B, and this is H. Okay, so according to Pythagoras, what we can write here? We can write here H square is equal to P square plus B square. So according to this only, we have some more formulas which we will see in our identity. But here I am discussing about the concept. So in this chapter, here when we are writing here theta, तो इसके सामने वाला इसको हम लोग P बोलते हैं. This is perpendicular side, and adjacent to this is our base. Now see, again I am drawing a triangle. This is my right angle triangle. Again A, B and C. This is right angle at B. Now if I am taking theta here, if this is theta, now in this case what will happen? Now this will be my P and this will be my B. This is adjacent side. This will be my B, and this is hypotenuse. Okay, so here again you can write this is our Pythagoras theorem. So here what I am trying to say you that if theta is here, here I am trying to say if this is my theta, then this will be my P, and if this is my theta, then this will be my P, opposite side. Most of the students, what the students do problem, what they do basically mistake is that all the time they take this theta and they suppose this is a P. No, it changes. Sometimes if you are taking theta this one, then its opposite side will be always P. Okay, so you have to keep this in your mind. Whenever you keep theta, so according to that theta, your P and B position changes. But this hypotenuse, this remains fixed, but this position changes. So this was our basic concept in this. Here I am talking about inclination line, declination line. Here I am not talking about that. I am talking about this concept. Okay, so this is your first concept is for right angle triangle. Now after this I will see trigonometric ratios. Now what is this trigonometric ratios? Now again I am drawing a right angle triangle, and this is A, B and C. This is right angle at B. Of course this will be my hypotenuse, and now I am taking theta. ये मुझे लेना आसान लगता है. So I am taking theta here. You can take theta here also. Don't worry. इसके सामने वाले को I will take this P and this is my B. Now what is happening here? In this case we are having 3 sides, hypotenuse, P and B, 3 sides. Now these 3 sides I am taking randomly. Suppose once I will take opposite side by hypotenuse. Sometimes I will take base by hypotenuse. So when I was selecting different ratios, उस ratios का कुछ naming है. For example, I am taking P by H. ठीक है. So this one I will say this is sin theta. Sin theta is equal to P by H. if I am writing B by H, so I will say this is a cos theta. And if I am writing P by B, this is P by H. I am writing this side P upon H. This is called sin theta. I am writing this base upon hypotenuse, and that is called cos theta. And if I am writing P by B, then this is called tan theta. So this is the three basic formula. This is the three basic trigonometric ratios. इसके बाद और तीन और आते हैं, ठीक है? So what is that? Now first of all let us remember, because most of the time students do mistake that sometimes they write sin theta is equal to B by H, sometimes they write cos theta is equal to P by H. So these mistakes are done, and if you are writing H by B or P by something like that, then your answer will never come. So how to remember this? See, I am underlining S E H cos B H tan P B. You have to remember this formula with the help of one sentence. So what is that? S. This is S. S for some. P for people. H for have. Some people have. ठीक है? This is S. Some people have. This is C. C for curly. C-O-U-R curly. B for brown. B-R-O-W-N. H for hair. Some people have. C for curly. B for brown. H for hair. Some people have curly brown hair. T for turn. P for permanently. And B for black. Some people have curly brown hair which is turned permanently black. So according to this sentence, we are going to remember this formula. And this is your three trigonometric ratios. I am talking about this. This is your three trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Now we will write more three trigonometric ratios. Now what is that? More three trigonometric ratios are number 4, number 5, and number 6. Sin theta, here I will write cosec theta. Cos theta, that is sec theta, and tan theta, this is cot theta. Start. Cosec theta, this will be opposite of this, so I will write h by p. Sec theta will be opposite of this, so I will write h by b, and cot theta will be opposite of this, b by p. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios which we will discuss throughout this chapter to solve our numerical portion, to solve our proof that. Basically in this case, students face many problems in proof that. So next lecture I will give you the solution how to solve that, proof that कैसे solve करेंगे, ठीक है? Thank you.